Yes, this is Anil. Hi, how are you? How are you guys? First of all, how are you? I greet to all and this. So once again, so very good evening. So how to and improve your vocals and you you can speak totally and everything is very well in future. So how to start in this English? This language start and very easy. And nowadays I just started my English journey. Wow, super wonderful in my life, and because actually I can speak English and properly, and because actually these days the improving my vocal stove and this blog, and this times I eating, and this time this is rajma. So I just rice. I want to show you, and this is rice, and so with my daughter. Hi Radha, how are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes.
What are you eating at this time?
Rice.
Rice? You just, and you can be used and blended in this rajma chawal? Don't lie. So what is the feeling inside is blended? The carrot, green peas, and onions and cumin seeds. So everything is fried in this rice. So because actually I'm eating on this time right now, so because we get very happy right now. So as well as I'm doing, actually we are learning English, and they did not. What is feeling? So why did you not go to the school today? Why? And today's because actually my daughter's schools they celebrated and Republic Day today. A lots childrens have gone for celebrate and these festivals every years. And because actually this time, so right now, so because actually without any furthers ado, let's get it started. And this video guys, so because it's a very important English language, and because actually on these days, so communication is skill improving and these days. So because actually I have more experience, but actually I did not speak anyone's, but actually I'm feeling shy to how to speak in public place, to how to speak and senior citizen. But actually there are so many confusion. The people are suddenly the confused actually or not speaking very well, because and a lot thinking but actually I'm this time, because actually I have come here right now. So because actually I'm learning English and as well is doing and dinner time and right now. So around and 9 p.m. it has 9 p.m. right now. So because actually improving my English journey. So because do you want to learn English, and please join this channel, and because actually I'm gracefully so totally I have speak in the raw, I know that, so speak. And this is channels created only for the beginners, the who people learn English and these days. So because actually I'm learning as athlete. So first of all I would like to tell you, and just like to outdoor and very cold and daily right now. So because actually I'm very happy because I just came here right now. So because actually I was eating with my daughter. Here's hi Radha, how are you?
I'm fine.
You okay? What's your name?
My name is Aradhya.
Okay, you Aradhya. So and she is eating on this time, so because alone. So because guys, and please subscribe on this channel. So you want to learn English, and please join these channels. And so first of all I would like to tell you guys, so because actually my name is Anil Maurya. I am very appreciate to all, and thanks. I'm so great happy. So thank you for the watching and this video. It's very longer, and that's I will meet you the next video. Thank you and bye and see you.